It's just a little too low. That doesn't do anything. That is for us to look at ourselves. Yeah, I should help you with your YouTube channel.
You're smart, Bryce.
That was the smartest thing I've ever done in my entire life. Alright, what's up? Ashley's YouTube channel.
Hello, welcome to my channel.
We're baking cupcakes.
We are baking cupcakes. I've done a few videos by myself where I bake something and I answer questions because I don't know what else to talk about when I'm baking something. But I've never done it with someone. So yeah, today I'm with my friend Bryce and we are going to make cupcakes. We have two different types: super moist vanilla and super moist party rainbow chip. So
Super
that's
moist.
If you haven't seen this in my video, vegan life hacks, I showed you guys how to make a Sprite cake and we're gonna do that today because it's super simple.
Sounds really weird to me.
He's never had a Sprite cake, but do you trust me?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we have cake mix and Sprite, and that's all you need. You went to the store today?
Hi.
So we have two boxes of cake mix, funfetti and normal, and then we have a ton of frosting to decorate it and
Yeah.
sprinkles. So
Nice.
I'm very excited and very hungry, so I can't wait to eat cupcakes. But I asked you guys on Instagram to submit questions, which I asked you all to submit questions on Instagram, which if you're not following my Instagram, you missed out on this and you're gonna miss out on future things, so that's really boring and you should go follow my Instagram. And follow his, both linked in the description. My mom asked too.
Where's your mom?
What is a good replacement for eggs? Funny you ask, for making a Sprite cake. Actually,
what's a good what for what?
a good replacement for eggs.
Sprite.
Sprite. My mom actually taught me this, so I'm answering her question with an answer she gave me. You can also use applesauce or flax eggs or chia eggs, or you can get egg replacement, which is made from like starches at the store.
I just know about eggs and Sprite.
We should start with the question though.
Wait, go back, go back. Can you dab press? Do it, Ashley.
At the same time.
Okay.
I don't like it.
3, 2, 1. Hit him with a dice roll. The Ashley dice roll. Okay. No more dancing. What's on my Christmas list? Food. I only ask for food and clothes every single year.
Yeah, honestly, I don't think I have anything besides socks.
I love socks.
I think socks are an underrated Christmas gift.
Oh, 100%.
Okay, but we're gonna start. Do you want to start with
The
rainbow chip or
yeah,
vanilla?
No, the rainbow one.
Rainbow chip?
The super moist rainbow one.
Super moist.
Hey, let me get scissors. Stop.
I'm trying to use my teeth.
That's bad for your teeth.
Too late.
And it's more visually like pleasing
I think my teeth did a great job.
to like snip it, because then it's like clean cut.
It's all fizzy. What's your favorite fruit?
Strawberries.
Do you like strawberries more than watermelon?
I
like
love
watermelon.
I love watermelon. And bananas.
Bananas are so good because I can make smoothie bowls. Favorite vegetable?
Oh, there's so many good fruits and vegetables. I really like a lot of things. I really like zucchini. I like a lot of squashes. I like carrots.
Sprouts.
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts. We've talked about Brussels
I really
sprouts.
like beets.
That's
I know
the one
you don't.
vegetable I don't like.
This actually looks normal.
Okay, you said you trusted me and now you're shocked.
Look how normal this looks.
Because it works. And it's simple and great.
Like my whisking skills.
Can we taste it?
Yeah.
I promise you it tastes good. This thing normal cake batter, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yeah!
There's a little bit of a difference. I can taste it. It's probably normal to you, Ashley.
Because that's how I bake. With
Yeah.
Sprite. But I don't drink soda. I just bake with it. Mix it in with a bunch of flour and sugar and then it's healthy.
Here, wait, can you take a Polaroid of me? With me holding the stuff I mixed?
Yeah, super cute. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
What's the best, do you eat peanut butter?
Yes.
What's the best way to eat peanut butter?
With
a spoon. With a
That is
spoon.
kind of true, but also just with banana.
Okay, that's really true too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, okay, apple and peanut butter or banana and peanut butter?
I would probably pick banana and peanut butter over apple.
Yes.
And peanut butter. Okay, pancakes or waffles?
So this morning I ate pancakes. They're really good. Ooh, I don't know, but waffles are...
Probably
Pancakes.
Yeah, I usually eat pancakes more than waffles.
I would say pancakes too.
Okay.
Batter's done. Now time to put the cupcake liners in. You should do a video where he teaches you gymnastics. Oh
That
no.
would not go very well.
Roll your camera roll and show the 13th photo. I have 19,000 photos in my camera roll, so this should be fun.
Yeah,
One,
that's
two,
a lot.
What is this? That is a selfie. I took this on New Year's Eve.
Where's my phone?
I remember this.
Okay. Yep, well, that's my 13. You guys are gonna get to see a cool video. Some dumb things I do. Alright.
This was right. It's
Okay,
done.
this one's for you, Ashley.
For me.
What's your favorite and least favorite part about being vegan?
Favorite thing? I just feel really, really good
Okay.
about a lot of things. Least favorite thing is that,
Okay, wait, can I guess it?
sure.
What your least favorite thing is?
Well, there's probably two things that I can think of right now.
Trying to find places to eat with other people.
That is one.
And two, people always asking you stupid questions.
Yes, I would say dealing with stupid people.
Dang, I'm good. What Hogwarts house are you? Ashley wouldn't know. Ashley hasn't seen Harry Potter. I'm Ravenclaw. I got a cool Harry Potter one. I actually have two.
And I don't know what it means.
What's your favorite vegan baked good?
There's the same thing as non-vegan baked good. Like vegan baked goods tastes the same as non-vegan baked goods. I like oatmeal raisin cookies, and I like cinnamon rolls, and I like donuts.
Baked goods. I like cookies and I like brownies. And are pastries baked? Yeah.
Yes, they're not boiled.
I really like pastries.
How else would they be cooked?
No. Is cauliflower good?
Yeah.
Duh. Is it ever awkward between us? All the time. No, I don't think so. I don't think I've ever had an awkward moment with Ashley. Except for maybe trying to teach her how to dance.
So good.
Awkward. I'm gonna put
What's
this
your
in.
Among Us name and outfit? We were just playing that.
Oh, my Among Us name is Buns.
Mine's Ashley.
But it's Buns because if people are accusing me, if I'm the imposter, I like to say these buns don't lie. And it usually works.
He's actually you're really good at the game.
Yeah.
It makes me mad because I'm not.
I love playing Among Us. My outfit is I have on a little suit. I have the white suit on and I have a little black hat and I look like a little detective and I'm purple and then I have my little mini-me running around.
I'm yellow with a banana on my head most of the time. Today I had a party hat instead. We're gonna put them in the oven. Maybe we'll answer one more question and then just come back once they're done baking and we can decorate them. Are you scared or excited about your future?
Excited.
Me too. Cupcakes go in the oven and we'll see you all when they are baked. Enjoy this montage. It's gonna be really good.
Wait, alright, hold on. Okay, ready? Oh, I don't know why I make that noise.
Sound effects.
Can you add a sound effect where it's like whoosh?
Yes. And we have 4 different types of sprinkles. I don't know who Bryce is. How did you meet and what is one fun fact about
I
him?
don't know who Bryce is.
How did we meet? We met in Malibu.
On the trip.
Yeah. And one fun fact about him, I'm actually better at him at bowling.
That's a lie.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Absolutely not.
She has beat me 3 times. Only
Out of
recently.
3 games.
And only recently.
Probably out of like 10.
Man, we've definitely played more games than that. We literally played 3 games the last time we went bowling.
Moral of the story, I'm just super good at bowling.
Moral of the story, Ashley sucks at bowling. Well, it's gonna BRYCE is the best bowl ever.
So do we do reveals at the end? Yes, reveals at the end, and all of you guys are gonna be the judge. No, I'm winning. What's the best soup? Actually, I think I know your answer. Your favorite soup is the special squash soup that takes hours to make in the broth.
No.
Oh.
It's one of my favorites. But my favorite is pho.
Oh, that's true. I'm really proud of myself for my answer.
Oh, I know, I got this. Sorry.
I like tomato soup.
I think I could just like eat all of these.
You could.
Oh my gosh, if I can do this, I should become a professional cupcake decorator. Don't look, you're gonna copy my design.
I was not planning on it.
Stop it.
It looks cool.
Of course it looks cool. Yep.
Oh no, I need to step up my game. I am not losing this competition.
You do need to step up your game. I usually don't put in effort when I make these. I just smear some icing on it and eat it. But since it's a competition,
we have to beat me. But you won't.
Ashley. Of course I will.
Next iteration.
You're definitely gonna have to step up your game.
How many are we doing? 5 each?
Yeah, good idea.
5. Okay. I don't know what to do. We have green. Oh! Perfect. I'm so smart.
Look, he's got sideburns and a cool hairdo. I'm gonna make a little guy. This cupcake is the coolest cupcake you guys have ever seen in your entire lives. I can guarantee it.
You know how I said my favorite flowers are tulips?
Mm-hmm.
You cannot tell me that doesn't. That looks like a tulip, doesn't it?
No, that's stupid. I'm just kidding.
It looks like.
Hashtag Cupcake Wars 2.0. Can you put that as a hashtag?
On the screen?
No, not on the screen. Ah, yeah, on the screen. I didn't know you could do that. I forgot.
I don't know what to decorate. I don't know what to do, and I can't Google ideas because that's cheating.
Yeah.
Do you snipe right? What is that?
My idea is so good. Are you kidding me? It's so good. So good. It's so good. The fans are gonna love it. And I can't wait to see the look on their face.
I'm scared.
You messed with the wrong cupcake lord. See, now we're talking. Now we're both cupcake designers. I just happen to be the better one.
Was I not before?
No. Look at your designs.
They're so good.
I'm just kidding. She's like, I hate you right now. She's like screaming in your head. It's an L. Because you take the L in bowling and you're about to take an L in cupcake wars.
No, I'm not.
That's right. That's right. My final cupcakes are roast.
Well.
Starts crying.
No, but that's what's gonna be so good. Everyone doesn't have a
good.
watermelon. We don't have watermelon colors. Yeah, we do. I'm making a watermelon.
That's cute.
Thank you.
You said watermelon. I thought you were gonna try and make a full watermelon.
Outside.
Just the green.
Why?
Guys, that was my thought process.
It just shows that I'm a better artist than you.
No, I think outside the box more. Or like a different universe.
One of the two.
It's fine. Let's come.
For me to win.
No. Ashley is gonna lose. Look at my eyes. I look tired. And I looked like, I thought I looked cross-eyed for a second. I was like, why do I look like that? Why am I built like that?
You know, on Cupcake Wars and stuff, they have like their name, their age, like their occupation in the bottom corner.
Can you please do that?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so here are my amazing, immaculate, delectable cupcakes that are going to completely obliterate Ashley in this competition. Alright, so first off, it's basic, but a nice design. It's my little swirly cupcake.
Okay, nice.
Beautiful. I just like the idea, so I made a little swirl. And it's got a little swoosh in the middle. Okay, next, my little smiley face cupcake. Isn't it so cute?
It is
I'm always
cute.
smiling, and I love smiley faces. And I gave him a little sprinkle hair, so it is my
Super
little cupcake.
cute.
And the eyes are pink and blue, because my favorite colors are pink and blue.
Wow.
Okay, third, this is my little rock star cupcake. He's got his little swoosh hair. And then, at first I was waiting on making these sideburns, but I think you know those like rock star like V jackets that they have?
Yes, with the big collars.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
what it's gonna be, because I really like music. This is holiday inspired. This is my little Christmas tree one, and it's snowing and it's got snow, and I love it. And it's definitely better than Ashley's. And
Nope.
last but not least, this one. It might not look like much, but it means a lot. Okay, it's a bowling ball with an L in the middle. The L is for Ashley because she's gonna take the L in this competition, and she always takes the L in bowling. And we always go bowling. We always go bowling on every trip, and she always loses to me most of the time, like 95% of the time.
No, probably like
so I
90.
I would make a little bowling cupcake in tribute to her losing in bowling in this competition. And those are my amazing, immaculate, delectable cupcakes by yours truly.
I don't like them. Okay.
Go.
So my name's Ashley Wicka. And I have some really good cupcakes. I spent a lot of time training for this.
Training.
Yes. And I think my hard work paid off. So first of all, we have my least favorite, but like it's still really cute. It is a geometric shape. It is rainbow, and if you can't see, they have the same pattern through each line. I just think this is very fun, very colorful, very bright, and I just really like it. Next we have my second cupcake, which is the first one I actually made. It is a heart because I love all of you guys watching this. Not all of you guys filming this, but all of you guys watching this.
That was mean.
And I really like it, and it's a pretty color. Next we have my tie-dye cupcake. And this one is great because you know how Bryce made a swirl cupcake? You know, pretty similar concept, but mine are just more elaborate, more fun, just better.
She took my idea.
No, I did not.
I'm kidding.
And I think it's really cute, and I really like it. It looks like one of those nail art designs, and that's where I got my idea from.
Oh, that's cool.
I can't do it on nails, but I can do it on cupcakes. So second to last, we have my tulip cupcake. This one I really love. Tulips are actually my favorite flower, fun fact, if you did not know that. And I love tulips, and so I made some tulips. I think it's super cute. And last but definitely not least, we have my watermelon cupcake, which if you don't know, I love watermelon. My roommates and I actually have this big like chalkboard thing on our fridge, and we have a melon counter. From the time that we moved in, we have a tally mark for every single watermelon that we have purchased and eat. That's not a joke. I will put a picture on the screen. We have, I don't even know how many are on there, and we've honestly probably missed a few. So I love watermelon. Watermelon is my favorite fruit. Sadly, it's out of season now, but I'm still bringing it back in spirit with my watermelon cupcake. That's all. You can clearly see who the winner is, but I'm still gonna let you vote for yourself.
Yeah, you can clearly see who the winner is.
So, we finished our cupcakes. You saw all of them, and we pitched our ideas to you. Finishing the video. Finishing the video on my phone because my camera died. But basically, I have a poll on the side of the video, I believe, and you need to vote for who you think won this competition. So, yeah, I think that you should really vote for who you think did the best. Not only should you guys vote in the poll, you should also comment who you think and give a reason why. No, basically, here's a template for your comment. Ashley is the winner because, and then you just leave whatever you think.
Better template. Ashley's not the winner because Bryce's were better for this many reasons. I guarantee you, I could probably write paper.
I could write a whole novel.
I hate writing, so I wouldn't write a paper. But okay, yeah, I definitely won.
No.
And yes.
Thank you so much for watching, though. Thank you.
Subscribe and like and vote me.
Go vote Ashley Wicka. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want some other thing like this. Maybe like a gingerbread house for not Thanksgiving, for Christmas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Goodbye.
This is
Taste
like a little tiny video. I was just biting into a cupcake. My amazing, immaculate, delectable cupcake.
I forgot I'm so sad right now. You would have been the only person to get this, but when I started my clip, I was gonna say, hey guys, I made these delicates. I forgot!
My delicates. I gotta talk to my delicates. You're better than Ashley. My delicates. Shout out to that dude from Worst Bakers in America.
That's our favorite show. We still have 2 more episodes left.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.